What is a periodontist? Many patients ask us, but they don't know what a periodontist is, they don't know what a gum specialist is. Anytime your dentist is telling you you need to go see a periodontist or a gum specialist, are you wondering? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Badivel. I'm a board certified periodontist and a gum specialist and a dental specialist. What a periodontist or a gum specialist means is, in addition to going to the dental school, we also go through extensive training for treating periodontal disease or gum disease, or also doing dental implant placement. After dental school, which is usually about 4 years, and then after that we also go to the periodontal residency program, which is usually about 3 years. And in my case, I went to the University of Minnesota for my periodontology and the dental implant training. Today I'm at the Academy of Periodontology meeting in Austin, Texas, to learn more about the latest advancements in the field of periodontology and implantology. So when we go back to our practice tomorrow, and we can start thinking about implementing the latest and greatest advancements in the dental implant and the periodontology world. For example, when I came to the meeting today, we learned a lot about the robotics technology that can be implemented for the dental implant placement, and also the advanced laser technology that can be implemented for the treatment of gum disease. So we are soon going to be implementing all of those to keep treating our patients in a better way, and maybe possibly taking them to the next level of advanced periodontal and dental implant care. So next time, when your dentist is talking about a periodontist or a gum specialist, who we are. So talk to your dentist and they can definitely help you. And if you happen to be in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, come see us at ToothHQ and we can definitely help you. Until next time, take care.